Hey guys, it's Mrs. Pros. I made this tutorial because I want to show you how to use the app Explain Everything. This is the app that you are going to be using to create your little Pharaoh research presentation. It's a really great app. It's easy to use, but I just want to show you a couple things of how to import pictures in the video and things like that. So the first thing you're going to need to do, if you haven't done so already, is to download the app Explain Everything in self-service. It ends up looking like this: white background, cursive, purple E. It says Explain Basics. So that's what you're going to want to download from self-service right here. Okay. So once you download it, you're going to click it, and you're going to click New Project. So you click this here, and you are going to go with Blank Canvas. This one really gives you the opportunity to kind of create what you want and design how you want and everything like that. So once you click that, it basically just gives you a blank white board is what they call it. From here, you can really design it how you want. So you can leave it white, certainly, but let's say white is not your jam and you want to change the background to a different color. So how you edit the background is if you go to this little thing right here on the side. Almost looks like a square with like a little pin in it. This brings up these colors. These are the colors that you can change your background to. So if you want yellow, you click yellow, you tap it, and then it changes it to yellow. You have blue, you have green, you have all of those. Let's say you like pink, right? So here's, if you want a different color that's not on here, you hold down the yellow, or really whatever color, then it will bring up this window. Let's say you want like a lighter pink. You click here, you hit done, it puts it in there for you, and then you can tap your background and it will change it to the color you want. The other thing you need to know how to do is add text, because you're going to have to write your information on here. That one's pretty simple to figure out. It's like a lot of other programs. You click the A over there. You then tap anywhere on the whiteboard with your finger, and then you can start writing. And so let's say you want it bold and you have to tell me when they were ruling, right? So we can say when they ruled. Put some dates in there for me, right? Enter, you would put the dates down there. You can just leave it like that, okay? You could, to edit it, you just click on it again. You could add a border to it. You can see the font size here, okay? Underline it, center it, all of that kind of stuff. Let's say you don't want your font to be black. You want it a different color. How you change the color is, I was trying to select this. There we go, select all. This little pin thing over here, let's say you want it blue, you can certainly change it to that color. My only suggestion is you just want to make sure whatever font color you use that we can actually see it. Usually bright yellows or really bright greens are kind of difficult to read. The other thing you need to know how to do is add a picture, because you're going to have a couple of pictures or pictures of statues of your pharaoh. So how you do that is you click this button right up here. You're going to go to existing image / video. Now, I have already saved these pictures to my camera roll from Google. So you would first need to go to Google to find a picture that you would like to use in your project. Save it to your camera roll, and then you can import it into here. Once you do that, it will pull this up. Here is the image editor, so you can edit this if you want to. I'm just going to leave mine like that. You click done, it puts it in there. You can use your fingers to make it smaller, bigger, move it wherever you want, okay? Remember, you also have to have a video, okay? So remember, I really suggest going to YouTube, searching for your pharaoh using 4Kids. That's going to give you those shorter video clips that we're looking for, okay? So you first need to find a video. So I actually found a video on YouTube that I'm going to show you how to import on here. Before I do that though, I want you, because anytime you exit out of the app, I would always make sure you save it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Right up here, it says whiteboard. That's what this program automatically names it. So to change the name, you could say your pharaoh project. You could also name it the name of your fair if you want to. Okay, and you hit Save as Template. Okay, then it has added to saved. You go back, there it is right there. Okay, you can go back into it and edit it from there. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of this app. I found this video on YouTube. It is about Cleopatra, just for this example. Okay. Oh, there we go. Of course, there's a Grammarly commercial. This one is about Cleopatra. I just typed in Cleopatra for kids. You can see it's a quick story for kids. This video is about 3 minutes. So let's say you find a video you want to use. What you then do is you copy the website up here. You go back to your Explain Everything, okay? When you get back into it, it might take you to this page, but once you save it, you just kind of click there. Then you go to this again. And this time, instead of doing picture or video, you're going to go to Browser. Then it will pull this up for you. You then paste your video in there. Okay. Oh, I did this before, as you can see. Paste, come on. Okay, and there it is right there. It automatically starts playing.
Hi kids, when you think of Egypt, there are some things that...
See, you can see 3 minutes, 29 seconds. Okay, so there, it's put it in there for you. I just tap out of it. Again, I can make it smaller, bigger, move it wherever I want to. Okay. Let's say that I put something in here, like some text or a picture. I'm going to add another picture that I saved. Okay. Let's say I add some stuff and I make a mistake and I want to delete this. Okay. Let's say I want to delete this picture right here. How you delete something is you first click the X, then you click what you want to delete, and then you can hit that X button, okay? And it takes it out of there for you. I hope this helps. I think that's basically everything you need to know how to do on this app. So mess around with it, play around with it. There's other tools I didn't show you on here. You can write on here. This, I think, is like a highlighter. So there's definitely different things you can do on here, but those are the main things you need to know how to do for this project, okay? Play around with it. I hope this makes sense, and just let me know if you have any questions. If I go back, again, it should a lot of times save it automatically, but there you go. Okay? Thanks, guys.